everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to answer the question, can you transfer money from PayPal to Cash App? And this is the answer. You see, transferring money directly from PayPal to Cash App is not a straightforward process, but there are workarounds. So you can do it so a direct transfer is not possible. It's because PayPal and Cash App don't have a direct integration that allows you to transfer funds between the two platforms. Instead, follow these workarounds I'm going to give to you, which is simply transfer to the bank account. You can transfer funds from PayPal to your linked bank account. And then, once the funds are in your bank account, you can add them to Cash App. It's as simple as that. Now, these steps will take 1. Log into your PayPal account, initiate a transfer to your linked bank account, and wait for the funds to arrive. 2. Open Cash App, navigate to Add Cash section, and link your bank account. Even if already linked, then add the funds from your bank account to Cash App. Now, what are the considerations you need to make? 1. Be aware of potential transfer fees from PayPal or Cash App. Also, the processing time varies depending on the platform and your bank. If you need to move funds between PayPal and Cash App using your bank account, so it immediately is a viable workaround. If you find it helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.